Let's learn A to Z alphabets. A is for apple. B is for broccoli. B is for broccoli. C is for cake. Cake. D is for donut. Donut. E is for eggs. Eggs. F is for French fries. French fries. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for hamburger. Hamburger. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for jelly. Jelly. K is for ketchup. Ketchup. L is for lime. Lime. M is for milk. Milk. N is for nuggets. Nuggets. O is for orange. Orange. P is for pizza. Yummy. Q is for quesadilla. Quesadilla. R is for radish. Radish. S is for steak. Steak. T is for taco. Taco. U is for udon noodles. V is for vegetables. Vegetables. W is for watermelon. X is for Zemania. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini.